to another Whip Tips. My name's Brandon Smith and I do technical support here at WhipMix. Today I'm going to show you how to scan in a model and export a closed bottom STL that you can take to any printing software and print on the printer in less than a couple minutes. So in order to create these, the case to do this, you'll need to go into your 3Shape software. You'll want to name the case however you want to name it. So I'm going to name this just test RPD scan. We're going to use the RPD module to actually make these scans for us. So in order to do that, you'll just want to check what arch you have. So for me, I have a lower here. So I'm just going to click on any tooth on the lower and then come over here to the right hand side and select removable. Other than that, there's nothing else that you need to set up here, so you'll just hit scan at the bottom right. If you don't have the RPD module, it will come up with this warning message, but that's okay because we're not going to design anything, we're just scanning. So we'll hit OK here. And then the scan software will load. Make sure your model's in the scanner and hit next up here at the top left. So once your model finishes post-processing, you'll get a scan that looks similar to this. All you'll need to do now is come up here to the top left and select Trim. This will allow you to remove any extra material that you don't want. Once you've done that, you just hit Next, and it will close the bottom of the model for you. And now in order to generate the actual models, you'll save and close out of the scan software. And then you'll want to come up to your case and right click on it and go down to Advanced, and then you'll want to go to Export Scan. And then the save box will come up, and the only thing that you need to make sure you do is save as type. You'll need to change this to STL. Then you can name the scan whatever you want, and you'll pick a location up here, and then you'll just left click Save. And now you just navigate to where your scan was stored, and now you can open it as an STL. And since this model is closed on the bottom, you can take it straight into a 3D printing software and go ahead and print it. So in this case, we did that with this model, and here is our side-by-side comparison of the two models.